day everyone, hope you are doing great and your preparation is going really well. So here is another important video. As I say every time, this is not your short trick video, but this was containing all the abbreviations of your class 11 as well as your class 12. Okay, so I have given it in the topic wise, chapter wise, and yeah, whichever chapter you want to ignore, you can do that also. So please listen to this. This will be a short video only, but it will cover all your abbreviation. From this also we are going to get the question for sure. Every single point counts, right? So please do listen to it. And before that, I have made the short tricks for complete 11th standard, including your biomolecules or plant physiology, whatever it is. So please do visit the short trick video once. Yeah, let's start. The first abbreviation, let's start with your living kingdom, ICBN and ICZN. For ICBN, and if you know the short trick for anything, just don't listen to this until I complete reading it. Okay, if you know that, just give the answer and you can skip the next one. Okay, ICBN, International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Now the next one, biological classification. BSE, bovine spongiform encephalopathy. CJD, CR-Jacob disease. Can someone tell me which causes this diseases? If you have completed this chapter now, you need to answer it, because just 4 or 3 more, like very less days for your NEET, right? So whether it is from virus or bacteria, prions, viroids, whatever it is, comment down. Okay, now plant kingdom, PEN, primary endosperm nucleus. Then we are coming to your morphology of flowering plants. This is more important than any other chapter, because whenever you are doing the floral diagram, okay, this means a lot. You can't simply write G, whatever it is. Okay, now BR for bracteate, K for calyx, C for corolla, P for your perianth, A for androecium, G for gynoecium. If we underline, what does this mean? If G is upper than this line, what does that mean? The ovary is superior. Okay, the position of ovary will be superior. Now, if the G is beneath, down this line, what does it mean? Inferior. It is being down, inferior. This is male, this is female, this is bisexual. This means fusion, right? And this symbol denotes your acetinomorphic. This means zygomorphic. Examples of for all this acetino and zygomorphic also has been covered in the video, I hope. Yeah, please do watch it once if you have time. Now we will move on to the next one. The cell, the unit of life. Okay, the first will be PPLO, that is pleuropneumonia-like organisms. ER, endoplasmic reticulum. RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. S in 70S and 80S, because the ribosomes will differ. No, in some things it will be in 70S and in some organism it will be in 80S. What is this S denote? Swedberg's unit. Okay, that is your unit. Now biomolecules. Now DA is for Dalton. It is a small a. Okay, DA is for your Dalton. DNA is for deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA, ribonucleic acid. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. ES, enzyme substrate complex. EP, enzyme product complex. Whenever we denote this square brackets within this, that means concentration, right? So concentration of your substrate. S is your substrate and E is your enzyme. Vmax, maximum velocity. NAD is excuse me. It is your nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, right? So what is NADP? Only P is changing. So this will remain same. For P it is phosphate. If I am too fast, just see it in a slow mode, okay? Yeah. Now with this we will move on to the next one. Cell cycle and cell division. G1 phase is gap 1 phase. S phase is for synthesis phase. G2 phase is for gap 2 phase. M phase is for mitosis phase. G0, G-O or Z, yeah, G0 is for a quiescent stage. Okay. So what are the phases of your M phase? How it is divided? Tell me. Revise. Whenever you see the words, okay, try to interlink the other concept, because this will be another way of your revisions. Whenever you say gap 1 phase, think of gap 1 phase. It will come in your interphase or what, okay? Like that you need to correlate, as I say every time. Now we will move on to the next one, that is your photosynthesis. The first one is PS, photosystem. LHC, light harvesting complex. PGA, 3-phosphoglyceric acid. OAA, oxaloacetic acid. In which cycle you will be seeing the oxaloacetic acid? Think. Then rubisco, ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. Then PEP, that is your phosphophenol pyruvate. PEPcase, that is your PEP carboxylase. Okay. Then RUBP, ribulose bisphosphate. It is RUBISCO. Right, here RUBP. Here this is ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. Here it is simply ribulose bisphosphate. Now we will see the respiration in plants. PGAL, it's similar to PAGAL, so it is 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. BPGA, 1,3-biphosphogycerate. NADPH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Just now we see in some other chapter also. FAD, FAD, flavin adenine dinucleotide. COA, coenzyme A. EMP pathway, Emden, Mayfer, right? Mayhoff and Parnos. Now, TCA, tricarboxylic acid cycle. ETC, your electron transport system. RQ, respiratory quotient. Can someone tell me the formula of the respiratory quotient? I have given the trick also. So, you need to memorize that. You should not say I didn't know. Yeah, the next one will be plant growth and development. Okay. PGS is plant growth regulator. NAA, naphthalene acetic acid. Then 1A, IAA, indole acetic acid. IBA, indole butyric acid. Acetic and butyric will be differ here. 2,4-D, 2,4-dichlorophenics acetic acid. Okay, only D is there, but so many terms after that. 2,4-D means 2,4-dichlorophenics acetic acid. GA, gibberellic acid. ABA, abscisic acid. Those who remember the short tricks of the plant growth and development, can you give me the answer for the functions of your GA and ABA? It is very easy. Try to recall. Yeah. Now the next one will be breathing and exchange of your gases. TV, tidal volume. IRV, inspiratory reserve volume. ERV, expiratory reserve volume. RV, residual volume. IC, inspiratory capacity. This is FRC. Okay, FRC, functional residual volume. Can someone tell me how to calculate the FRC? If you know the trick, you know the answer. EC, expiratory capacity. VC, vital capacity. TLC, total lung capacity. I will have some water. Yeah, TLC is your total lung capacity. Now we will move on to the body fluids and circulation. RBC is for red blood cells. WBC, white blood cells. RH, rhesus monkey, right? SAN, sinoatrial node. AVN, arterioventricular node. AV bundle, arterioventricular bundle. ECG, electrocardiograph. CAD, coronary artery disease. What causes the coronary artery disease? Give the answer. Wherever I am asking the question, please do think and give the answers. Yeah, it is for your revision only. Okay. Yeah. Now, excretory product and their elimination. PCT, proximal convoluted tube. DCT, distal convoluted tube. GEFR, glomerular filtration rate. Can you give me the glomerular filtration rate? JGA, juxtaglomerular apparatus. ANF, arterial. Okay, sorry, it is N only. Arterial natriuretic factor, which causes the release of ANF. That is also another question. ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Yeah, we do have some other chapters in your class 11 itself. Locomotion and movement. Okay. I band, isotropic band. A band, isotropic band. F actin, that is filamentous actin. G actin, globular actin. HMM, your favorite chat reply, right? Heavy meromycin. So L will be light meromycin. Only meromycin will be same. Your heavy and light will be different in case of this. Now neural coordination and control. CNS, central neural system. PNS, peripheral neural system. NS, autonomic neural system. Now the last chapter of class 11, chemical coordination and integration. The first will be GnRH, that is gonadotropin releasing hormone. Okay. Then GH, growth hormone. PRL, your prolactin. TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Whenever I say some abbreviation, think which gland will be releasing this hormone and try to revise, okay, along with it. ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. LH, luteinizing hormone. FSH, okay, here it should be follicle, right? This is follicle, sorry. Follicle stimulating hormone. MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone. T3, triiodothyronine. If it is T4, tetraiodothyronine. Just mean 3 means right, 4 means tetra, you all know. TCT, thyrocalcitonin. PTH, parathyroid hormone. CCK, sorry, it's your cholecystokinin. Then GIP, gastric inhibitory peptide. Okay. So with this we are covering the class 11, all the abbreviation.